Yes, but I can't do everything at once and one at a time, you know.
Can I help you with your bag, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yes?
Can you?
How many bags do you have?
No, three.
Three.
Where's the yeah, but she just has to turn them. Yeah, I have a different one? No, fell on the ground.
That's the only one.
But it fell on the floor.
Could you please stand over here? My colleague here is going to keep us in touch, okay? Just to make sure that you're not carrying it. All right? Just follow her instructions, okay? Keep your hands down.
Open it up. Yes, behind nobody's seen.
You know how on?
Can I get a truck
Should
first?
put it.
Because I want to get a jump.
What next? Forget the glove in? All right,
Yeah, but the last
let me
time
just
that I do
put
that,
it for you, okay?
when I do that, I can get it back. No,
Yes,
you
you
don't.
can. Yes, you can. Give me your hand. Yeah.
Sí, no one knows how.
I cannot wait to see this thing work. I'm going to put them to
When you
my
step in, wash your hands, please. Do not hit your head.
Okay, how am I doing?
Or if you want, you just turn around, sit first.
First step here, then you go here. And you said,
Nobody's seen you.
everybody see.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Okay, put
Yeah,
it
they're
on.
going.
Yeah,
I know you argue,
but my skirt, I'm wearing a skirt, and I don't have any underwear, and I don't know what. Could y'all block me so these people don't see it? Yeah.
Pessoal, já quando chegar nas horas, para a ordem.